In this video, I will show you how to get incognito mode in Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get incognito mode on Chrome, what you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, then come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and you're going to see at the top the option to open a new incognito window. So if you give that a click, it's going to say you've gone incognito. And what this means is that Google Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies and site data, and information entered in forms. However, your activity may still be visible to websites you visit, your employer or school, and of course your internet service provider. Another way to do this is a keyboard shortcut, which is Control, Shift, and N. And that's going to open up a new incognito tab. Once you've got the tab opened, you can just go ahead and use Google Chrome as normal, but of course you'll be in incognito mode. So that's how to get incognito mode in Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.